Today, I'm going to teach you how to apply watermarks in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is incredibly useful when you need to protect your documents, mark them as confidential, or add branding to your PDFs. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to start working with your files. Navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF document you want to apply a watermark to. This could be anything from a business proposal to a reference document that needs clear identification marking. Now look at the upper left toolbar and click on Edit. This opens up various editing options for your document. In the left panel, you'll see several tools available. Click on More to expand the menu and reveal additional features. From this expanded menu, click on Watermark, then select Add. This brings you to the watermark configuration window where you can customize exactly how your watermark will appear. You'll notice you have two primary options, text or file. If you want to use a custom logo or image as your watermark, click the circle beside File, then click Browse to locate and select your watermark logo from your computer. On the other hand, if you prefer a text-based watermark, click the circle beside Text. In the text field that appears, type your desired watermark. For example, you might type reference only to clearly mark the document's purpose. Once your text is entered, you can customize its appearance. Click the drop-down menu beside Font to choose your preferred font style. This helps ensure the watermark matches your document's overall aesthetic or your company's branding guidelines. Next, click the drop-down menu beside Size and select your preferred text size. Finding the right balance here is important as the watermark should be visible but not overwhelming. If you'd like to change the text color, click the color picker and select your preferred color. This can be particularly useful if you're working with colored backgrounds or want the watermark to stand out or blend in depending on your needs. Navigate to the Appearance section where you'll find several rotation options, -45 degrees, none, 45 degrees, or custom. If you want a custom angle, click the up and down buttons to adjust the rotation until it looks just right. You can also adjust the opacity using the slider. Moving this slider allows you to control how transparent or solid your watermark appears on the page. Navigate to Scale relative to target page. Here, click the up and down arrows to adjust how the watermark scales in relation to your page size. This ensures your watermark looks proportional, regardless of the document's dimensions. You can also customize the watermark's position by clicking the circle beside either Appear Behind Page or Appear on Top of Page. Choosing Behind Page places the watermark underneath your content, while On Top of Page puts it over everything else. Once you're satisfied with all your customization choices, click OK to apply the watermark to your document. Finally, in the upper right corner, click the Save button to preserve your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a professional watermark to your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.